Hello friends and welcome to All About Bikes. In today's video, we will talk about top 5 bikes you should consider under 1 lakh price tag in India. So do like, share and subscribe to my channel in case you haven't done it yet. So let's start the video. While many motorcycles have crossed rupees 1 lakh price tag, there are still several options under 1 lakh price range. Here is the list of top 5 motorcycles that you should consider under 1 lakh price range. First, Bajaj Pulsar 150. The Bajaj Pulsar 150 is among the highest selling products in the Bajaj portfolio. This 150cc motorcycle is expected to receive a complete makeover with a Pulsar N250 inspired styling, but a timeline for that is not yet available. This Pulsar series product uses 149cc single cylinder air cooled motor that makes a healthy 13.8 bhp of power at 8500 rpm and 13.25 Nm of peak torque at 6500 rpm. The feature list, similar to the Pulsar NS125, is basic and that may push away some buyers. However, unlike other products listed here that compete in 125cc segment and use CBS technology, the Pulsar 150 benefits from a single channel ABS. Second, Bajaj Pulsar NS125. Bajaj Auto's entry-level Pulsar NS series motorcycle brings the styling of the Pulsar NS200 in a more affordable package. The sporty design of the Pulsar NS125 is complemented by its 124cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine that produces 11.6 bhp of power at 8500 rpm and 11 Nm of peak torque at 7000 rpm. Despite the premium price tag over its rivals, the Pulsar NS125 misses modern features such as LED lighting and a fully digital instrument cluster that its direct rivals like the TVS Raider 125 and Honda SP 125 pack. Third, TVS Raider 125. The new TVS Raider 125 is one of the most desirable products in its segment. Its modern design is complemented by a premium feature list that is beyond its competition. The motorcycle comes standard with a LED headlight with LED DRLs, a fully digital display, idle start-stop system, 2 ride modes, and under-seat storage space. Moreover, the connected variant benefits from TVS SmartX Bluetooth module and a color TFT display which give it an edge over the competition. It packs promising performance too, and the numbers are similar to its direct rival the Pulsar NS125. Linked to a 5-speed gearbox, 124cc single-cylinder air and oil-cooled engine makes 11.2 bhp of power at 7500 rpm and 11.2 Nm of peak torque at 6000 rpm. 4. Honda SP 125. Honda two-wheeler India's premium commuter motorcycle packs slightly lower horsepower and torque numbers than its rival mentioned here. However, it is one of the most refined products in the segment. The feature list, although lower than the new TVS Raider, is still premium than most of its rivals. This commuter motorcycle comes standard with the LED headlight, a fully digital instrument cluster and modern switchgear. Linked to a 5-speed transmission, the 124cc single-cylinder air-cooled motor makes 10.72 bhp of power at 7500 rpm and 10.9 Nm of peak torque at 6000 rpm. 5. Hero Glamour. Hero MotoCorp's Glamour 125 is one of the most affordable 125cc motorcycle in the Indian market. This motorcycle is also backed by Hero MotoCorp's widespread dealerships and service network which works in its favor. Moreover, the performance too is at par with its rivals such as Honda Shine 125. The 124cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine makes 10.72 bhp of power at 7500 rpm and 10.6 Nm of peak torque at 6000 rpm. The highest spec X-Tech model comes with LED lighting and Bluetooth-enabled instrument cluster and still undercuts the likes of the Bajaj Pulsar NS125 and the Pulsar 150. That's all we have in today's video. Do share your views in the comment section. Also like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more updates about bikes and scooters in India. Thank you.